Now, what if I made the argument that swim instructors being in the water with you is actually the reason why you weren't able to learn how to swim? Would you watch a video like that? Because that's what we're doing today. Let's check it out.
Reason number one is, well, it's awkward when you're being held by another adult, isn't it? Certainly doesn't make us feel very comfortable or confident.
Now just lay on my arms.
We just met 10 minutes ago.
It's okay. I'm a swim instructor. This is great. Wow. It really makes no sense. All right. So we make it through the whole getting held stuff. And now we're relying on that instructor for some amount of our confidence, aren't we? Well, what happens when they're not there and you're in your backyard pool? Are you still as confident?
And do you think that they know when they're pushing you too hard or when your anxiety levels are getting up to here?
Seriously, it's not even hard. Just put your face in.
It's almost just like a yoga instructor forcing somebody into a stretch that their body isn't prepared for.
That's my hamstrings. They're too tight. I can't go anymore.
Well, go further. You're not doing it right.
I can't go anymore. And now for a quick break in the action. I'm only gonna ask for 10 to 15 seconds of your time. Check out the link in the description below. We've got two things. One is a free newsletter to keep you up to date on all the information that's gonna help you learn how to swim. And we're also pre-selling a Learn to Swim 101 course, 25% off now. Take a look in the description below. Oh, this one's gonna be tough. Most of the time, your swim instructors are teaching you the same way they taught kids earlier in the day and not specializing in how adults learn how to swim best. Here's how we're gonna do this. Chocolate, vanilla. Chocolate, vanilla. Now lay on your tummy. Chocolate, vanilla. Chocolate, vanilla. Chocolate. I don't think adults learn like that. Now, the intent behind this video was not to poke fun at other swim programs or swim instructors. We like to use humor to communicate a difficult subject matter and make it easier for you guys to understand and digest. But with that being said, and with 100% seriousness, there's a reason why 52% of the adult population can't swim, and 70% of those have tried before and failed. We need to do a better job and approach this problem from a different lens. And that's what we're doing here at Caribe Swim.
If there's a specific topic that's going to help you learn how to swim, please leave a comment in the comment section below. We are so grateful for all of you, and we'll see you in the next video.
Make sure to subscribe to our page, like our video, click the little bell. That way you get notified every single time we put out a new video that'll help you learn how to swim. See you guys at the next one.